we got my Jetta here, and redneck's gonna be redneck. The plan is to give this thing a nice stack coming up the side here. So somewhere in here we're gonna jack it up and see where we want to jack, see where we want to do it. Just kind of send that under there. As long as it's underneath, it'll grab something. So that's the main part. Rapid pump. And always make sure to use jack stands, especially when you're using Pittsburgh jacks. But maybe don't use Pittsburgh jack stands. It's always important to make sure you're jacking on a level, hard surface like so. And that's as tall as we can go right now. So we decided not to jack the other side up. That wasn't ideal. So I'm jacking up this side because it seems like it's going to work out better on this side. It'll probably come out in here somewhere. But back doors are kind of unnecessary. So kind of the thought with that. Always wear eyeglasses so you don't get crap in your eyes and hurt your eyesight long term. Or just close your eyes. Even, because we care about how well it seals and looks and all that good stuff. So the tractor flapper is very important, but they didn't have 2 1/4 inch at the auto parts store, so I just got, I just don't know what it is, 2 inch or something, but it doesn't fit very well. And the other 2 1/2 inch one was humongous and wouldn't look refined on this vehicle, so we decided, so I'm just gonna weld it on. Make it work beautifully. You don't need to use welding goggles if you don't look at it. So that's where I'm at with that. To support this all, I've made a nice little custom strap here with 2 self-tappers into the rocker panel, so I think that's probably the proper way to do things. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, America! Oh yeah! So I realized after doing it that I couldn't get the door open. So that's what happens when you're a redneck and dumb. So just kind of don't look at my welds. I won't let you see them very much, but kind of Got that all beautiful.